Hey girls, I'm going to teach you how to tie up your hair like this with one bobbin. It's perfect for the waterfalls, it's perfect for cycling because it's a low bun. And the helmet just sits right on top. It's perfect for cooking, it's perfect for school, anything. Just gets your hair out of the face, it's not too tight, and it looks effortless. So I'm going to take it down right now. And we're going to start off with our hair long and back. So I have one simple, everyone has this hair tie I found on the street actually in Adelaide, okay? So first we're going to grab all our hair. We're going to have their bobbin on our dominant hand, which is my right hand. And as you can see, it's around my hand part. It's not around my wrist. You can put it on your wrist, but it's better around your hand like this. So you're going to grab all your hair together onto the height that you want your bun. So you can have your bun up here, you can have your bun down here. It just depends on where you want to go. So you hold it with your dominant hand, and with your non-dominant hand, which is my right hand, I'm going to pull the bobbin over like this. And as I'm doing that, my right hand is kind of grabbing my shoulder almost. And with that hand, I'm going to flip up all the hair, okay, like this, push it back, and then I'm going to twist my wrist, roll it, and at the same time, I'm going to take my right hand and pull the hair through, just pull it up, and then I'm going to twist again, and now I'm going to put my thumb through the bobbin hole, okay, and then with my hand like this, that means I can grab the bun, and then I'm going to pull it through with my non-dominant hand. Okay, if you do it faster and if you keep doing it, each time it looks different, looks effortless, as you can see. That is how it's done. And you can see that, and if your hair isn't dry, this part can stand up and it can look so cute. And that's it. And then you can pull out some pieces to frame your hair, maybe down here. It's just a really loose bun. It's just one ingredient, one bobbin, one hair tie, whatever you call it. And not just for the girls, the guys can do this too if you have a man bun. And yeah, you can do it high up here as well. But I'm going to keep mine low. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. If you want more hairstyle videos from me, let me know in the comments. Or if occasion, I'll come up with something for you guys. See ya!